morning everybody. Myself Sunita Sinha. Today I am going to explain numerical sums of chapter number 10, Light, Reflection and Refraction. For this purpose, take a look on the sum formulas which are used in numerical solution. First is mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Here V means image distance, U means object distance and F means focal length. Second, length formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Next, P is equal to 1 upon F. P means power of length. 4 number. F is equal to 1 upon P. Fifth, M. M means magnification. Magnification is equal to H dash upon H or minus V upon U. H dash indicate the image height and H indicate the object height. R is equal to 2F. R means radius of curvature. F means focal length. In other way, say F is equal to R upon 2. First question is your textual exercise question number 12. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. Firstly, you just mind which type of mirror is used. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. ओके नाउ अब जो गिवन आउट है उसको बाहर निकालो. फर्स्टली हेयर गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. यू नो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस सिंबल इज यू. यू इज 10 सेंटीमीटर गिवन. यू का वैल्यू ऑलवेज माइनस में होता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज केप्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द मिरर. सेकेंड हेयर गिवन फोकल लेंथ. फोकल लेंथ इज गिवन 15 सेंटीमीटर. Here convex mirror is used, so we will take plus 15 centimeter. अगर यहाँ कॉन्केव मिरर होता तो f is equal to minus 15 centimeter होता. Okay. Now you have find the position of image. For this purpose we use the mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Therefore 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now put out the value of v and f and u. Here v is not given, so you just kept 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. f कितना given out है आपका 15. So you write down 15 minus 1 upon u. Just see the u value minus 10. Now 1 upon 15. Here minus plus. So 1 upon 10. Now take the LCM of 15 and 10. 15 and 10 LCM become 30. Okay. Now read the table of 15. How many times you read? Then you got the 30 2 times. So you multiply 1 into 2. It means 2. Now read the table of 10. How many times you read? 3. 10 3 ja 30. So you multiply 1 into 3. Yani 3 1 ja 3. So your answer is 5 upon 30. 5 upon 30 is the value of 1 upon v. 1 upon v you got 5 upon 30. 5 1 ja 5. 5 6 ja 30. Therefore v is equal to 6 centimeter. आपका आ गया पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज. v is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we find the nature of image. नेचर ऑफ इमेज के लिए आपको मैग्निफिकेशन वैल्यू होना चाहिए. Now we know that m is equal to minus v upon u. Put out the value minus v आपका 6 centimeter है and u is minus 10. So minus minus cut. Here remaining 6 upon 10. It means 0.6. मैग्निफिकेशन का कोई यूनिट नहीं होता है. It is a unitless quantity. Now how we decide what is the nature of image? We know that if वैल्यू m इज पॉजिटिव. अगर आपका m का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आएगा तब नेचर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट कैसा होगा? वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. ओके. देन यू गेट हियर प्लस 0.6. सो नेचर ऑफ इमेज इज वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. एंड व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ इमेज? इफ यू गॉट m वैल्यू लेस देन 1. 0.6 means less than 1. So size of image is diminished. It means smaller than object. Okay. This way you find the position and nature of image. Now your next question is question number 14 from your textual exercise. An object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position of image, its nature and size. Okay. Again, we take out the all values which are already given in your question. First given 5 cm length. It is the height of object. Height of object symbol is h. H is equal to 5 cm. Here 5 is in plus sign because always object is kept upright. Yani perpendicular in upward direction. So we take the plus sign with your height of object. Now distance is 20 centimeter. It means this one the object distance. Object distance is 20 centimeter. Object distance always we take in minus sign. Next value here given radius of curvature r. R is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. This one the convex mirror. So R is in positive sign. यहीं पे आपका कॉन्केव मिरर होता तो हम आर लेते -30 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. फॉर मिरर फॉर्मूला फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ फोकल लेंथ. फोकल लेंथ का फॉर्मूला होता है r अपॉन 2. इट मीन्स 30 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. Now we use mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Therefore 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now put out the value. 1 upon f means 1 upon 15. Here just see f का value कितना given out है 15 centimeter. Now minus 1 upon u. U means minus 20 centimeter. Okay. So 1 upon 15 minus become plus 1 upon 20. Now we take the LCM of 15 and 20. So 1 upon v is equal to 15 और 20 का LCM कितना हो जाएगा 60. ठीक है. So you write down 4 plus 3. It becomes 7 upon 60. Therefore, V is equal to 60 upon 7. Now you divide 60 upon 7, then you get 8.57 centimeter. This one the image distance 8.57 centimeter. Now how we find out the nature of size of object? Then we use the magnification. We know that magnification yani m is equal to h dash upon h or m is equal to minus v upon u. Therefore, we write down h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u. Okay. अब इसमें से आप h dash का फॉर्मूला निकालो. h dash is equal to h minus v upon u. ठीक है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया यहाँ पे. Now put out the value. h is equal to how much given in question? h is given here 5. Okay. Now put out the value of v and u. Here v you got 60 upon 7. Then you put out 60 upon 7 here. And u is how much? Just see in the question. U is minus 20. Here you put out minus 20. Okay. And this one your minus. This one. This minus come here. Now 5 into minus 60 upon 7 into 1 upon minus 20. Okay. Now 23 ja 60. How much remaining here? 15 upon 7. 5 3 ja 50 upon 7 centimeter. If you divide, then you will get 2.1 centimeter. This one the value of h dash. H dash means image height. Image height is little bit greater than object height. So you say size of image is enlarged. Now what is the nature? Then Positive value of image height indicate that the image is virtual and erect. We remember, if you get h dash in positive sign, then image will be how? Virtual and erect. This one the nature of image. Okay. Now here this question is solved. Now next question. Question number 16 from your textual exercise. Find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2.0 diopter. D means diopter. What type of lens is this? Here given P. P how much given here? Minus 2.0 D. You find the focal length. We know that F is equal to 1 upon P. Put the value 1 upon minus 2. 2.0 means minus 2. If you divide, then you will get minus 0.5 meter. ठीक है? 0.5 meter. Now 0.5 meter how much centimeter? So minus 0.5 multiply 100. This one minus 50 centimeter. Okay. Focal length of this lens is minus 50 centimeter. What type of lens is this? According to rule, if the value of P is negative, okay, if the value of P is negative, the lens must be concave. Lens कैसा होगा आपका? Concave lens. Okay, be remember, if P का value आपका negative में given out है, तो lens आपका concave lens. अगर P का value positive में given out होता, तो आपका होता convex lens. Next question is question number 10. An object is 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from a converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and the nature of image formed. Okay. Here converging lens means convex lens. Now what is given here? Object length. Object length means symbol h. H is equal to 5 cm. Second is given 25 cm away from lens. It is the object distance. It means u. U is always minus sign. So minus 25 cm. Next here given focal length f. F is equal to 10 cm. Now f is the plus 10 cm because here lens is convex lens. अगर यहाँ concave lens होता है तो f हम minus में लेते हैं. Now we should find the position of image. For this purpose, we use the lens formula. Lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Therefore, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F plus 1 upon U. Now put out the value. 1 upon F means 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon U means minus 25. 1 upon 10 plus minus minus. So minus 1 upon 25. Now take the LCM of 10 and 25. 10 and 25 LCM is 50. Read the table of 10. 10 5 ja 50. So we multiply 1 into 5. Yani 1 5 ja 5. Minus 25 2 ja 50. So we read 1 2 ja 2. So it becomes 3 upon 50. It is the value of 1 upon V is equal to 3 upon 50. Means V is equal to 50 upon 3. If we divide 3 by 50, then you will get 16.67 centimeter. It is the position of image. Okay. Now we find the height of image. For height of image, we should have the value of magnification. Magnification formula is h dash upon h and second formula is v upon u. Okay. In last slide we use m is equal to minus v upon u. Why? Because this is the lens and that is the mirror. ये लेंस है इसलिए m का वैल्यू v अपॉन u होगा और वो मिरर था इसलिए उसका यूज हम करेंगे माइनस v अपॉन u. सो h डैश इज इक्वल टू h v अपॉन u. ओके, यहाँ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया. नाउ पुट आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ h v एंड u. h is 5, V is 50 upon 3 and U is minus 25. Solve it. 5 50 upon 3 into 1 upon minus 25. Now cut out this one. 25 to ja 50. Okay, it means 10 upon minus 3. It means minus 10 upon 3. After dividing, we get minus 3.3 centimeter. It is the height of image. Okay, but h is given here. H is how much there? H is equal to 5 centimeter. So h dash is less than h. It means size of image is smaller than size of object. Now our next is how we draw ray diagram. For ray diagram, we should have the position of object. Here, U is given 25 centimeter. Okay. Focal length given 10 centimeter. Then 2F means 20 centimeter. Just compare these two values. 20 and 25 centimeter. It means object is kept beyond the 2F. Okay, where is your object position? Beyond the 2F. Now you draw this one. I draw here rough sketch. This one the principal axis. This one the optical center. You take F and its double is 2F. Same way F and 2F. Okay. Where the object position? Beyond the 2F. Here you kept the object. First line is always parallel to principal axis. After refraction, it passes through the focus of lens like this. Second line pass through the optical center. It means O. When any ray passes the optical center, it not change the path. So this one your 2F. This one your image position. It means where is image formed? Between F and 2F. Where is the position of image? Between F and 2F. And size is little bit less than object. This one our object AB and A dash B dash our image size. This one your ray diagram of given object position. Next question is question number 3 of page number 184. Find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. Okay. Firstly, you write down focal length. Focal length is 2 meter. Okay. But here lens is concave lens. So we take the minus 2 meter. और यहीं पे अगर ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस होता तो फोकल लेंथ आपका प्लस में होता है. बी रिमाइंड दिस वन थिंग. इफ यू हैव द कॉन्केव लेंस देन यू विल टेक एफ इक्वल टू नेगेटिव साइन. इफ यू हैव द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस देन यू टेक एफ इज इक्वल टू पॉजिटिव साइन. नाउ वी हैव द फॉर्मूला पी इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन एफ. इट मीन्स 1 अपॉन माइनस 2. ओके. दिस वन इफ यू डिवाइड देन minus 0.5 and unit of power of lens is diopter. It means symbol D. This one your power of a concave lens. Next question is question number 2 of page number 171. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 cm in front of it. Where is the image located? Okay. Here given magnification 3 times. How many times here? Magnification 3 times. So we take m is equal to minus 3. For concave mirror, m will be in minus. For convex mirror, m will be positive. Okay. So we take m is equal to minus 3. Here also given u is equal to 10 centimeter. और u हमेशा हमारा किस में होता है? माइनस में. Now we start our sum. Firstly start m is equal to formula. M is equal to minus v upon u. Now put out the value of m and u. M is equal to minus 3 minus v upon u. U means minus 10. So minus minus cut V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. It is the position of image. 30 centimeter. Here negative sign indicate image should be formed in front of the mirror. ठीक है, यहाँ माइनस साइन इंडिकेट करता है कि आपका इमेज लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द मिरर बना है, क्योंकि लेफ्ट साइड वी विल टेक माइनस साइन एंड राइट साइड शुड बी प्लस साइन. यहाँ माइनस साइन का मतलब इमेज आपका कहाँ बना, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. ओके, फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर मीन्स योर इमेज नेचर हाउ इज इट, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. ओके, next question is question number 2 of page number 176. Light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.50. What is the speed of light in the glass? The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, firstly understand here one medium is air to glass. It means this one the value of absolute refractive index. Now refractive index of glass indicated by the symbol Ng. Refractive index of glass. N indicate the refractive index, G indicate the glass. So it is the refractive index of glass, here given 1.50. Second given here C. C means speed of light in vacuum. Again I say speed of light in vacuum, its symbol is C and C value is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Now V. V is the velocity of light in glass और speed of light in glass, और ये आपको find out करना है. Clear? Now we use the formula of refractive index, absolute refractive index. So Ng is equal to C upon V. Refractive index of glass, velocity or speed of light in vacuum. This one the speed of light in glass. Now put out the value of Ng and C. Ng here given 1.50. C is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 and V is V. Now cross multiply you will do here. V is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 1.50. Now 3 divided by 1.50, here you separate 10 raised to 8. इसको साइड में कर दो. Now remove the decimal. ये decimal को remove कीजिए. Then 2 zeros go forward there and 150 10 raised to 8. Now cut out 150 2 ja 300. It means your answer is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. It is the speed of light in the glass. Now next question is extra question, but it is important for your exam. The magnification of an image formed by a convex lens is -1. Find the object distance in terms of its focal length. आपका magnification given out है m is equal to -1. आपको निकालना है object distance, but here now other value is given. So your object distance come in the form of focal length. Okay. Now magnification. What is the formula of magnification of lens? M is equal to V upon U. Now put out the value. M is -1. V means V, but U should be taken in minus sign. So here put out -U. Now do the cross multiply. So V is equal to +U. This one your position of image. Now put out the equation 1. After then we use the lens formula. Lens formula means 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now put out the value 1 upon V. V means just see from equation 1 it is a U plus U minus 1 upon U. U means minus U क्योंकि object distance हमेशा किस में होता है माइनस में, and equal to 1 upon F. This minus and minus become plus. So 1 upon U plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Take the LCM of U. So it will become U. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon F. 2 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now do the cross multiply here. So U 1 ja U and 2 into F is equal to 2f. This one your object distance in terms of focal length. Okay, u is equal to 2f. Distance of object in the terms of focal length. Now next question for 1 mark. It is important for MCQ type question. If the radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 40 cm, what is its focal length in mirror? Here given radius of curvature R. R is 40 cm. Okay. Here not given which type of mirror is used, so we will take plus 40 cm. Now we find the focal length. So F is equal to R upon 2. 40 upon 2 is equal to 20 cm. Okay, F is equal to 20 cm. But according to question, focal length should be in meter. Then you divided by 100. This one will get in meter. This one cut. So your answer is 0.2 meter.